Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone serious about fitness: muscle recovery hacks. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, understanding how to recover effectively can make a world of difference in your performance and overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore various strategies and techniques that can help speed up your recovery process, allowing you to get back to your workouts feeling refreshed and ready to tackle new challenges. We'll cover everything from nutrition tips and hydration to stretching routines and the benefits of rest days. You'll learn how these recovery methods not only help reduce soreness but also enhance your workout efficiency, leading to better results over time. So, if you've ever felt fatigued after a tough workout or wondered how to bounce back quicker, you're in the right place. Stick around as we share practical tips and insights that can transform your recovery game and keep you on track toward your fitness goals. Let's get started on the path to smarter recovery. Understanding muscle recovery. Muscle recovery is a fascinating process that plays a crucial role in your overall fitness journey. When you engage in intense workouts, tiny tears occur in your muscle fibers. This is a natural part of building strength, but it's during the recovery phase that your body repairs these tears, leading to muscle growth and increased strength. This physiological process involves various factors, including protein synthesis, inflammation reduction, and the replenishment of energy stores. Effective recovery is not just about feeling better, it significantly impacts your overall fitness performance. When you allow your muscles adequate time to recover, you enhance your endurance, strength, and flexibility, ultimately leading to improved workout efficiency. However, there are common misconceptions surrounding muscle recovery. Many people believe that more exercise is always better, leading to overtraining and burnout. Others think that rest days are a sign of weakness. In reality, recovery is a vital component of any training regimen. By understanding the science behind muscle recovery, you can optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Let's break down these concepts further and debunk some myths along the way. Nutrition for recovery. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in optimizing muscle recovery, ensuring that your body has the necessary building blocks to repair and grow stronger. Key nutrients essential for muscle repair include protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for muscle synthesis, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores depleted during exercise. Healthy fats support overall cellular health and hormone production. To aid recovery, consider incorporating specific foods into your post-workout meals. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products are excellent sources of protein. For carbohydrates, opt for whole grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables. Additionally, foods rich in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Supplements such as branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and protein powders can also be beneficial, especially if you struggle to meet your protein needs through food alone. Timing is another critical factor in nutrient intake. Aim to consume a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. This window is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients, maximizing recovery and setting you up for success in your next training session. Hydration strategies. Hydration is a critical component of muscle recovery that often gets overlooked. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to perform optimally, leading to decreased muscle function, increased fatigue, and longer recovery times. Dehydration can impair nutrient transport to your muscles, making it harder for them to repair and grow after a workout. This can ultimately hinder your overall performance and progress. To stay properly hydrated, it's essential to develop a routine before, during, and after your workouts. Start by drinking water throughout the day, aiming for at least half your body weight in ounces. Before exercising, consume 16 to 20 ounces of water about 2 hours prior to your workout. During your workout, sip on water or an electrolyte drink every 15 to 20 minutes, especially if you're sweating heavily. After your workout, replenish lost fluids by drinking at least 24 ounces of water for every pound lost during exercise. Consider hydration products like electrolyte tablets or sports drinks that contain sodium and potassium to enhance recovery. These can help restore electrolyte balance and improve muscle function, ensuring you're ready for your next workout. Staying hydrated is key to unlocking your full fitness potential. Active recovery techniques. Active recovery is an effective way to enhance muscle healing and promote overall well-being. Unlike complete rest, active recovery involves engaging in low-intensity activities that stimulate blood flow, helping to reduce soreness and accelerate the healing process. These activities can aid in flushing out metabolic waste products that accumulate during intense workouts, allowing your muscles to recover more efficiently. Examples of low-intensity exercises beneficial for recovery include walking, cycling at a leisurely pace, swimming, or practicing yoga. These activities not only keep you moving but also help maintain flexibility and mobility, which are crucial for preventing injuries. Incorporating gentle stretching or foam rolling can further enhance muscle recovery by alleviating tightness and improving circulation. While active recovery is important, it's equally essential to recognize the value of rest days in your workout routine. Rest days allow your body to repair and rebuild, ensuring that you come back stronger for your next session. Balancing active recovery with adequate rest will help you optimize your fitness journey, keeping you motivated and reducing the risk of overtraining. Embrace these techniques to support your muscle recovery and enhance your overall performance. Sleep and recovery. Sleep plays a critical role in muscle recovery and overall health, acting as the body's natural repair mechanism. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. This restorative process helps to rebuild muscle fibers that are damaged during workouts, allowing you to come back stronger. Lack of sleep can hinder this process, leading to increased fatigue, reduced performance, and a higher risk of injury. To improve sleep quality for better recovery, consider establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes activities like reading or gentle stretching to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Additionally, limit screen time before bed, as the blue light emitted by devices can interfere with your natural sleep cycle. Research shows a strong connection between sleep duration and workout performance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your recovery and enhance your athletic performance. Prioritizing sleep is not just a luxury, it's a vital component of your fitness journey that can lead to significant improvements in your results. Recovery tools and techniques. Incorporating recovery tools and techniques into your routine can significantly enhance muscle recovery and overall performance. Foam rollers, for instance, are excellent for self-myofascial release, helping to alleviate muscle tightness and improve flexibility. By rolling over sore areas, you can increase blood flow and reduce soreness, making it easier to bounce back after intense workouts. Massage guns have gained popularity for their ability to deliver targeted percussion therapy. These devices can penetrate deep into muscle tissue, promoting relaxation and reducing tension. To use a massage gun effectively, focus on areas that feel tight or sore, applying gentle pressure for about 30 seconds to a minute. Compression gear, such as sleeves or socks, can also aid recovery by improving circulation and reducing muscle fatigue. Wearing compression garments during and after workouts can help minimize swelling and enhance the recovery process. Incorporating these recovery techniques into your routine is essential for long-term success. By regularly using tools like foam rollers, massage guns, and compression gear, you can optimize your recovery, reduce the risk of injury, and ensure that you're always ready for your next workout. Prioritize recovery to maximize your fitness potential. In today's video, we explored essential strategies for supercharging muscle recovery, highlighting the importance of nutrition, hydration, active recovery, sleep, and the use of recovery tools. We discussed how key nutrients and proper hydration can significantly enhance your recovery process, while low-intensity exercises and rest days play a vital role in muscle healing. Additionally, we emphasized the critical connection between quality sleep and optimal performance, as well as the benefits of using tools like foam rollers and massage guns to alleviate soreness. Implementing these recovery hacks is crucial for achieving better results in your fitness journey. By prioritizing recovery, you not only enhance your performance but also reduce the risk of injury, allowing you to stay consistent and motivated. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, effective recovery is the key to unlocking your full fitness potential.